Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the speaker off and unplugging everything. This prevents shorting while you work. Once done, flip the unit and remove the 4 Torx screws. Store them in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Then, use a plastic pry tool along the seam and lift the top cover slowly. You want to separate clips without cracking the shell, because plastic stress will ruin fit and waterproofing. Now you'll expose the battery pack and inspect how it's routed and connected. This matters when installing the new cell. Make sure to unplug the battery connector from the PCB by grasping the plastic housing. Do not yank the wires, because you could rip the connector. Next, remove any screws or clips holding the pack and peel away adhesive slowly. Taking photos helps you remember exact placement and adhesive locations for reassembly. Insert the new battery in the same orientation as the old pack and route the wires along the original path. This prevents pinching. Once seated, plug the connector into the PCB until it clicks so you have a solid contact, then loosely replace the cover to test power. Make sure the unit boots before tightening screws fully. If it fails to power, double-check connector seating, verify polarity, and inspect for torn wires. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.